Welcome back, everybody. So, we have been sleeping on a mattress for almost a week now. We have moved almost all of our furniture and our things to the new house. It's waiting for our keys to come.
7 days later.
We've actually got the keys to the house. So, we're really happy. We finally got this. This is finally the moment we say our goodbyes to our rooms and our house. I have lived here for almost 8 years and it is pretty emotional leaving it all behind. Well, let's go. We are ready to leave now. Okay, so finally we are here and let's go into the house. Come here for the first time. Almost all of the things are out of place for now, but we'll get through this. All the rooms are pretty big, but this is one of the biggest rooms. So we've kept almost all of our suitcases, all the boxes that are not opened yet. We've kept it here. First, we've picked up this room, which is at the top floor. We're gonna clean it. This is all the extra stuff that we have. So I think we're gonna clean this up and put this away. I am going to clean all the cupboards and then place all the things inside accordingly because they are all scattered around the room right now. So I have placed all the things inside and there is also a lot of space still left for other things too. So this is the situation of my room. The furniture is half fixed, things are scattered around, but the most thing I'm excited about is that this room is much bigger than the previous one and I am really excited to set this. What I've done is I separated all the clothes, whatever I have to give for donations, I have to keep for summers or for winters. I've treated them accordingly. Winter is almost around the corner, but it is a little hot out here. So I'm going to keep all the extreme winter clothes inside so that when winter is fully here, I can take it out easily. So in this box, I'm going to keep all the summer clothes that are not needed right now, but it will be used later. So now we have come to the end of the video. This is a very beautiful garden that we have. I'll be showing you more, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.